There's a shift happening right now in music. And if you don't see it, 2026 will feel very uncomfortable. This video isn't about playing better. It's not about more chops, more gigs, or more followers. It's about a mindset shift that separates musicians who survive from musicians who build something sustainable. If you want to thrive in 2026, you have to move from the old musician identity to what we call the creative CEO mindset. Let's break that down. 1. The old identity trap. Most musicians don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because of how they see themselves. The old musician mindset values one thing above everything else: validation. Validation from the industry. Validation from streams and likes. Validation from getting picked for the gig. That mindset trades high skill for low, hourly fees. It treats music as something you do instead of something you build. So when musicians try to create products, lead magnets, or systems, a voice shows up and says, "I'm an artist, not a salesperson." This feels fake. This feels dirty. That voice is the biggest threat to your future, because the problem isn't your tools. It's your identity. 2. The CEO filter. Here's the shift. The creative CEO runs everything through one filter. Is this an asset or just an event? An event happens once and disappears. An asset compounds over time. A gig is an event. An email list is an asset. A private lesson traded for an hour of pay is an event. A recorded lesson turned into a product is an asset. In 2026, you must stop separating creative time and business time. It's all asset building time. When you learn a new groove, that's not just practice. That's content. That's education. That's a product idea. When you solve a common music problem, that's not just experience. That's intellectual property. The creative process is art. But the output? The output is property. And property is how musicians gain leverage. 3. From scarcity to abundance. The old musician mindset is built on scarcity. There are too many musicians. I can't charge more. I have to compete on price. That belief benefits platforms, not musicians. The creative CEO understands this. You don't need everyone. You need your people. When you own your audience, even a small one, you stop competing with the world. You start serving a specific need. Your audience doesn't want generic education. They want your approach, your sound, your perspective. That's where value lives. Not in being cheaper, but in being specific and hard to replace. 4. Leverage time. There's one final shift every musician must make. Stop only trading time for money. Gigs matter. Sessions matter. But knowledge that scales is how you build freedom. Create once. Sell repeatedly. This shift from hourly thinking to asset thinking is the hardest part, but it's also the most important. The mindset shift is invisible, but it's the engine behind everything. 2026 doesn't need more talented musicians. It needs more creative CEOs. If this vision resonates, subscribe. In the next video, we move from mindset to action. How to build and start owning your audience. This is how drummers become more than a drummer.